Well, this is Robert at Talking Tesla, and it's an exciting moment. The beginning of progress on the second half of the Santa Monica Supercharger build out. 36 more Superchargers coming this summer. Not sure, it's going to probably take longer than the Supercharger that's already here. And full most of the days, because this Supercharger that's being built on the west half of the build out the property is going to have solar panels, a structure that has plumbing and heating and cooling, because they're going to have bathrooms and maybe some vending machines. But progress is happening, and that is awesome. All right, enjoy more at Talking Tesla, or go to talkingtesla.net. Bye.